How's it going, everybody? Mr. Dub, Bay State Breakers here, and it is my favorite time of the month again. It is rookie card explosion box time. Thankfully, being friends with Mr. Philmington, I tend to get mine a little bit earlier since I see him in person. Don't have to worry about shipping. So I am going to be ripping mine a little bit earlier than normal. However, I will not upload this until I'll sit on a couple days just so it's not out there too early. So without further ado, let's get into it. Cut the tape real quick. Of course, I have a pair of scissors that does not want to cut tape. All right, here we go. Pull out our list. Get the packing peanuts out of the way. Let's get the packs out. We'll get the packs out real quick. Get rid of these packing peanuts. We'll put that back on again. Let's go over the list. All right. Rookie Card Explosion Box Volume 14. This month, we have 85 Leaf, which is BBCE authenticated. We have 1990 Leaf Series 2, 04 Topps Series 1, 13 Topps Update. Our one retail pack is 18 Topps Chrome. We have an 18 Heritage High Number, 18 Heritage Minor League, 19 Bowman's Best, 19 Series 2, 19 Topps Update, and the brand new release, 2020 Topps Series 1. So if you're not a subscriber already and you're interested in getting a subscription, here's how you get a hold of Phil. There's generally one or two available at the beginning of every month for a one-time purchase, but he sells out pretty quick, so you get on that fast. So the sheet, our key rookies we'll be looking for, I'll keep that off to my side so I know what we're looking for. I'm going to do this as usual. I'm going to do it oldest to newest. So this is a 1985 Leaf. We're looking for Roger Clemens, Kirby Puckett, and Dwight Gooden. All right, here we go. Got our puzzle piece. The Ryan Sandberg Diamond King. Jackson, Tom Bernansky. There's a former Red Sox. You know, Cal Ripken Jr. Dallas Kings. Dan Petrie. Ron Guidry. Orozco Diamond Kings. Darrell Evans. Gary Getty. Terry Poole. The checklist. And we end with a Jerry Humphrey. So, none of the three we're looking for there. Pack number 2, we have 1990 Leaf Series 2. We're looking for Frank Thomas and Larry Walker, who was just inducted into the Hall of Fame 2 months ago now. Puzzle piece. All right. Jay Reynolds, Charlie O'Brien, Darren Dalton, Storm Davis, John Franco, Larry Sheets, Wallace Johnson. Looks like he's getting ready to charge the mound right there. Mike Felder, Terry Mahond, Mark Davis, checklist. It has Ryan Sandberg on the back, Keith Miller, Lance McCullers, Andres Galarraga, and Carlos Baega. I sent a ton of through-the-mail cards to this guy because I liked him for some reason back in the day to get autographed, and he actually sent them all back, surprisingly. Usually you'll get the guys that only send 1 or 2 back, but he sent, I think I sent like 10 cards to him. And he sent all 10 back, all autographed. So we have 04 Topps Series 1, looking for Yadi Molina and Zach Greinke. Now later, Angels, Eric Owens. Mike Gosselin. No relation to Ryan Gosselin. Mike Sosa. Bobby Cox manager card. Sporting News insert of Jody Garoot. Never heard of the guy, to be honest. Frank Robinson. Ian Diaz. Red Sox, Kenny Perez. And what appears to be a very poorly made, I don't know, is that what's the prospect there? Do they have variations back then? Or did they just not get enough ink? Interesting. And this is a checklist. Yeah, well, I highly doubt there's any kind of variation like that back then. It's just got to be a print error. All right. So 13 updates. We're looking for Yelich, Arenado, Anthony Rendon, Garrett Cole, and Didi Gregorius. Some good names there. All right. So, Sean Burnett, Chris Narveson, Pete Kozma, Joel Peralta. There you go. That's one of them. Anthony Rendon. Rookie debut. There are difference back then compared to now. Joe Mauer, mini. I wonder if that's a parallel too. Did they have minis all black back then? I didn't open much of this product. I think 13. That was when I was not collecting. Andrew McCutcheon, Alan Craig, and a Brock Peterson rookie. All right, next up. 18, Dubs Chrome. I'm looking for base cards, refractors of Acuna, Torres, Otani, Devers, Albies, Bueller, Flaherty, Reese Hoskins, and autos of a bunch of those guys as well. So, rookie. Oh, let's see, we have a refractor. Felix Jorge. No, just a insert. Dominic Smith, Flash. Freshman Flash, sorry. Paul Goldschmidt. And a Stone Castro. So, unfortunately, the rookie we did get wasn't anyone we were looking for. Never even heard of him, to be honest. All right. Heritage High Number, which is one of my favorite products to open now. We're looking for Acuna, Soto, Torres, Otani, Austin Meadows, bunch of different action variations, and autos. So we get Adam Engel, Willie Adames, rookie, Corey Dickerson, Jacoby Jones, Jay Bruce, Cesar Hernandez, Scott Kingery. Some people are high on him. Nick Ahmed, and Chase Utley. All right, 18, Heritage Minor League. We are looking for Jordan Alvarez, Fernando Tatis, Vlad Guerrero, Pete Alonso, Eloy Jimenez, Gavin Lux, Bo Bichette, Roy Stewart, Drew Waters, and Alex Kirilloff. There's all types of short prints. Joe Adele, Keston Hero, Aston Riley, Jesus Luzardo, and Brandon McKay. Is that a color card? No. Monte Harrison, Justin Dunn, Mackenzie Mills, Joey Wentz, and this is just you received a chance to make your pro debut with the Richmond Flying Squirrels. Code card. Akil Badu, Tanner Hoke, and O'Neal Cruz. Alrighty. Getting into the 19 now. So 2019, Bowman's Best for Tatis, Guerrero, Alonso, Eloy, Castanera, Riley, Kopech, Senzel, Carter Kieboom, and a bunch of others. All right. So we got the Kyle Tucker rookie. That's the one we were looking for, wasn't it? Or maybe not. I don't know. Still, we'll put him aside. Javi Baez, Reese Hoskins. There you go. Got the Acuna insert, franchise favorites. I'll put him in the hit pile. And a Davy Garcia. That's a refractor. All right. So everyone knows about Series 2 nowadays. Hobby and retail shit is just flying. You can hardly find it anywhere now. You used to be able to find it all the time. Mostly because of the short print, the no number of Vlad. You got the Tatis rookie in here. Yeah, it's a very good product. Danny Murphy, Dylan Shields, Dominic Leone, Francisco Meja rookie, Kansas City Royals, and we got the hit of the box. Jason Hayward, jersey 150 year anniversary. Number 60 out of 150. That's cool. Put that up there. Ryu, Escobar, teams. Kobe Jones, Brock Holt, and Jason Castro. Alrighty. Get into the final couple packs here. The 19 update. Obviously, we're looking for Vlad, Kirsten Hero, Riley, Senzel, and everyone's favorite right now, Luis Arias. There we go. Brendan Rodgers, decent name. Matt Strom. Was the Austin Riley pro debut, or the rookie debut. Jose Alvarado, Homer Bailey, Tim Beckham. We have the Xander Bogaerts 35th anniversary. Josh Naylor rookie. Mike Schwarman rookie. All-Star Game Aroldis Chapman. This guy haunts me. Every product I open, I get this guy. Estrada. Maybe he'll turn out to be good. And it'll all be worth it. Somehow I doubt it, though. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, last pack. 2020 Topps Series 1. Just came out this past week. Looking for Jordan Alvarez, Gavin Lux, Bo Bichette, Aristis Aquino, Nico Horner, Luzardo, Dustin May, Brandon McKay, AJ Puck, Grisham, and Kyle Lewis. I just opened a hobby jumbo this a little while ago. There's one card we're looking for, Brandon McKay. We'll put him up there. Garcia, looks like we got the gold. Sean Doolittle, Brandon Belt, Houston Cheetahs, Nationals team card. I can't pronounce his name. And we have a gold of Milky Cabrera. Put that up there. Daniel Palka and Ian Kinsler. So let's do a hit recap of what we did get. We got some stuff. The Cabrera gold. The Brandon McKay rookie we were looking for. Out at the Topps Series 2, right? Yeah. Jason Hayward jersey. 150 anniversary. 60 out of 150. The Acuna insert. Kyle Tucker rookie. And the Anthony Rendon rookie. Very nice. So once again, shout out to Phil. Did a good job again. And looking forward to next month already. So hopefully everyone else does very well. Can't wait to watch some more videos of this stuff being opened as usual. And thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment, hit that like button, subscribe button. Make sure to go check out Phil. Get yours today if you're interested in this box. It's a fun rep. And I'm always looking forward to the next one. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching and keep on collecting. Bye.